Prime Minister Andrew Holness is seeking to assure the country that the tough proposals in the new firearms bill are not intended to limit legal gun ownership. Mr. Holness says the legislation is instead part of an effort to stop people from using illegal weapons to commit crimes. Mr. Holness also addressed the comments of some members of the Parliamentary Joint Select Committee that is examining the bill. The utterances of some of the members have left many players in the sector nervous. Details in this report.
The intention of the government is to properly structure and regulate firearm ownership and usage in Jamaica.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness sending a clear message to legal gun users in the country. He said he has heard the concerns of some stakeholders who feel that the new firearms bill now before Parliament is against using guns of any kind. But Mr. Holness, who attended a Jamaica Rifle Association competition over the weekend, said his presence at the event is to signal to the country that the government he leads is not on a mission to deprive persons of their lawfully acquired firearms.
The outcome I'm foreseeing will be a far better regulated space for the private ownership of firearms. It will be a space where the people who own firearms are certified, both technically and in terms of fit and proper, meaning that they have established a need for the firearm and they have established that they are responsible.
The Prime Minister explained that the views of some lawmakers on the JSC is not an indication that they have a vendetta against any firearm-based organization, but instead is a sign that democracy is working.
It is not the intention of the government to see the end of the sport of rifle shooting or shotgun shooting or pistol shooting. It is not the intention of the government to see the end of the Rifle Association.
If the new firearms bill becomes law, it will, among other things, mandate that persons serve a minimum of 15 years in prison if they are held with an illegal firearm.
The country must come down heavily on that. There can be no ambivalence in our perspectives that anyone who has an illegal firearm should be punished in the harshest possible way.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.